Hello friends, I am Dr. Umesh Bansod from the Department of English, J.M. Patel College, Bhandara, Maharashtra. Welcome back to the second part of the phrasal verbs. Lecture 2, we will start a journey of studying phrasal verbs onwards here. यहाँ से हम phrasal verbs को डिस्कस करने की जिस प्रक्रिया को इसके पहले वाले वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने की थी, उसी प्रक्रिया को अब यहाँ से कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सेकेंड पार्ट विल डिस्कस अल्फ़ाबेटिकली E to L फ्रेजल वर्ब्स. E से लेकर L तक अलग अलग फ्रेजल वर्ब्स को यहाँ हम कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने फ्रेजल वर्ब्स क्या होते हैं और किस प्रकार के पार्टिकल वर्ब के साथ जुड़ते हैं और फ्रेजेस के मीनिंग्स बदलते हैं, इस इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक को इसके पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था. आज हम अगली जो फ्रेजेस है उनके बारे में बात करेंगे. Ease up means relax, calm down, निश्चिंत रहना. It's just a class test. Ease up a little. Eat up means eat the whole of something या consume, निगलना, खा जाना. This car eats up a lot of petrol. Fall back on means to rely on something if plans are unsuccessful. अगर कोई एक पर्याय नाकामयाब हो जाता है तो दूसरे पर्याय पर आश्रित रहना. I at least have my father's shop to fall back on if I lose this job. Fall behind means not being able to stay on schedule. जो भी शेड्यूल डिसाइड किया रहता है उस पर कायम न रहना, पीछे रहना. Our work on the project has fallen behind due to the pandemic. Fall for means to fall in love or develop a romantic attraction. प्यार हो जाना. She fell for him in the moment she laid her eyes on him. She fell for him the moment she laid her eyes on him. Fall off means if the amount, rate or quality of something has become lower. कीमत कम हो जाना, मूल्य गिरना. The rates of vegetables have fallen off due to a bumper crop this year. Fall out means to have an argument and a fight with someone. बहस में पड़कर किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो जाना. She left the house after falling out with her husband. Get along or get with means to have a friendly relationship with. किसी के साथ दोस्ताना रिश्ते होना. She gets along with her neighbors. Get away or get from means to leave or escape from someone or something. छोड़ देना. She wants to go out to study in order to get away from her parents. Get away or get with means to escape getting caught or punished for something wrong that you have done. पकड़े जाने पर भाग जाना. How do you get away with breaking so many rules? Get ahead or get off means move in front of. आगे निकल जाना. If you want to get ahead of other people in studies, you'll have to work harder. Give in means yield or surrender. हार मान लेना, शरण ले लेना. Seeing her sad face, her mother finally gave in to her demand to allow her to go out with her friends. Give up means छोड़ देना, त्याग करना. To stop trying to do something or to stop doing something which one has been doing for so long. प्रयास करना या त्याग करना. He finally gave up smoking for the sake of his children. Go back on means not keep a promise. वादा नहीं निभाना, वादा खिलाफी करना. If you go back in your promise again, I shall never trust you. Go for means try to achieve, enjoy something. प्रयास करना या फिर किसी चीज को एंजॉय करना. I shall go for an ice cream for desert. Go on means continue, jari rakhna. Go on with your rehearsals, don't stop because of me. Go into means discuss in detail, विस्तार से सोचना. I don't want to go into the reasons for their separation. Go through means examine or study carefully. सूक्ष्म परीक्षण करना, आर पार देखना. Go through the chapter properly before you take the examination. Hand in means submit करना, सौंपना. He handed in his assignment late. Hand on means give to someone else, passed on to the next generation. हस्तांतरित करना, किसी और को सौंप देना. He handed the award on to his wife. Hold back means not show emotions, रोकना, भावनाओं को नहीं दिखाना. It was difficult for her to hold back her emotions when she saw her late husband's picture in the album. Hold on means wait. Please hold on for some time. कुछ देर के लिए रोकना. I shall go and call her. Hold on to keep as long as possible. Iron out means remove small problems or difficulties. छोटी समस्याओं से निपटना. You should iron out the differences in your relationship. Jump at means accept eagerly or with great excitement. किसी भी चीज को उत्साह के साथ स्वीकारना. Everyone jumped at the idea when I suggested that we go to Europe for a vacation. Jump in means enter a conversation, बातचीत में भाग लेना. The moment I started discussing politics, she jumped in to give her opinion. Jump on means criticize greatly, टिप्पणी करना या भर्त्सना करना. The moment I suggested his name for the post, everybody jumped on me. Keep away means to be away from somebody or something. दूर रखना. Keep away from other people when you have cold and fever. Keep up means move at the same rate. To remain well informed. बनाए रखना. It's difficult to keep up with his pace during running. Land in means get into a difficult situation. परेशानी में फंसना. I handed in trouble after breaking the lockdown. Land up in means reach a final position or arrive at something not planned for. अनिर्धारित जगह पर पहुंचना. Although we set out for Delhi, we landed up in Chandigarh. Let down means disappoint, निराश करना. I expected him to be sincere, but he let me down. Let off means not punish, शिक्षा नहीं करना. Although his crime was quite serious, he was let off with just a fine. Light up means illuminate, प्रकाशित करना, रोशन करना. People light up their houses during Diwali. Lighten up means be less serious. माहौल हल्का बनाना. Lighten up a little, it was just a joke. Look up to means respect and admire them, सम्मान देना. I look up to my father for the values he upholds. Look down on means to not find somebody or something good enough, नीचे देखना. She looks down on people who are not as rich as she is. Look after means देखभाल करना, take care of. She looks after her old parents really well. इस प्रकार से कुछ और phrasal verbs को आज हमने डिस्कस किया. कुछ और phrasal verbs को हम आने वाले तीसरे पार्ट में, इस लेक्चर के तीसरे सीरीज में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Thanks for watching this video and hope that this discussion will really help you to memorize this word or to learn these words by heart. Thank you very much.